Come test drive the 2015 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power windows, leather, sunroof, premium package. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.